Hey everyone, it's Ashley here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I went from an old wash and go to a heatless blowout and turn that into a protective style using my handheld steamer, the Qredew. So this wash and go was definitely on its last days, but I wasn't ready to wash it yet, so I'm going to turn this into a protective style, also showing you how I do a heatless blowout. So the first thing I'm going to do is add moisture to my hair using True by Made Beautiful's Quench Curl Refresher. This is one of my favorites. I usually use this to refresh my wash and goes, but I like using it to add moisture to my styles as well. Now that is all applied to my hair, I'm just going to section it off to make things easier. I like doing 4 sections and then running the Q-redew through. It's much quicker than trying to do all of your hair at once. So here's the Qredew. I've used this a bunch of times in other videos. I'll be sure to link that down below. If you're unfamiliar, it's a handheld steamer. It's honestly my favorite hair tool. So what I'm going to do is just run that through my hair, and the steam is going to be blowing it out, making it really easy to detangle my hair. And while I'm running it through my hair, it's going to be stretching out my curls, giving me that heatless blowout look that I'm going for before doing my protective style. So I'm going to continue running that through. You can see my hair getting more stretched out, which is what we want. The next step in achieving a heatless blowout is just running a brush through your hair gently. You don't want to go too rough. Start from the ends and make your way to the root. And the Qredew did majority of the job, but just running through the brush gives it a more stretched out look. And if you don't have a Qredew and you want to do a heatless blowout like now, what you can do is put your hair into like 4 to 6 braids, let that dry, and then take them down and just gently brush out your hair. This will give you that stretched out look. So this is how my hair looks like after running the Qredew and the brush through my hair, my nice little heatless blowout. Now using Gabrielle Union's Flawless Oil Treatment, I'm just going to run that through my hair and throw this into a protective style. I'm literally just going to throw my hair into 2 braids and I'm good to go. If you don't know how to braid, I'll link down below how I do a flat twist in my hair. It's a little bit easier. While filming this look, I did realize I need a trim. I want you guys to let me know if you would like for me to film that for you, how I trim my natural hair, because I need to do this ASAP. So let me know down below in the comments. Once my hair is braided, I'm just going to twist the ends across from each other in the back of my hair and take a bobby pin and just secure it in place. And that is pretty much it. That's my easy protective style. I'll rock that for a couple days and be good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to check out the description box. I'm going to leave all the info there. Thanks again for watching. See you next video.